You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Hello and welcome back to the podcast where global journey finds clarity. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down a bold move, literally. If you're planning to relocate from Russia to the United States in 2025, this episode is going to be your roadmap. Step 1, secure your visa. Every successful move begins with legal footing. Whether you're coming to join family, work, study, or invest, start with your visa application. It's detailed, it's emotional, and yes, it can be slow, but it's your ticket to a new life. Our advice, work with an experienced immigration attorney. And while SDC International Shipping doesn't provide legal services, we do work with trusted partners who can help guide you through this complicated step. Step 2, choose the right destination. Where you land shapes everything from Florida's Russian-speaking communities to California tech hubs. Each region offers unique advantages. Are you looking for good schools, a quiet suburb, a strong job market? Don't just pick a place, pick a future. And no matter where you choose, SDC makes sure your belongings get there safe and sound. Step 3, plan the move with SDC. Now for the logistics. What are you talking? Do you need to ship a car, piano, artwork? Will you use air freight or sea freight? At SDC, we manage the packing, shipping, and custom process so you can focus on the bigger picture. Whether you're sending a full household or just a few essentials, we'll tailor a solution that fits your needs and timeline. Step 4, prep for U.S. Customs. U.S. Customs and Border Protection will inspect your shipment. You're going to need a detailed inventory, a signed packing list, CBP Form 3299, passport and visa. We help our clients prepare every document so you don't have to go at it alone. And step 5, prepare emotionally. This part, it's the hardest, but also the most important. Moving isn't just physical, it's emotional. You're going to feel excited, overwhelmed, and even homesick, and that's okay. Many families keep their traditions alive while building new lives in the U.S. They speak Russian at home, but cheer in English at the Little League games. They make borscht and burgers. They adapt and thrive. SDC International Shipping is your trusted guide. We're more than movers, we're partners. We offer packing and crating services, air and sea freight options, real-time shipment tracking, custom documentation support, temporary storage, and moving insurance. From your first phone call to your final unpacked box, we're with you because this isn't just about what's in your container. It's about what's next in your life. If you're ready to take the next step toward your American dream, call us at 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to request a free quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.